Good morning, dear students. I hope you have seen all the videos and clearly understood the unethical practices which are very common these days on internet. Now, let us today understand some of the internet safety measures so that we can safeguard our privacy on internet. So, students, to understand the safety measures on internet, the key rule is to ask for parental assistance most of the time. Now, why I am saying this point is going to clear in the further points we are going to discuss. The first one is personal information. Do not ever give out your personal information online without your parents' permission, because if you do so, you may end up sharing your personal data online, which can hamper you further. The second key point is a screen name. So students, while creating your screen name on any of the social media account, do not include your personal information like your first name or last name along with your date of birth, because this can hamper your privacy online and you may easily be recognized and your data may easily be captured, and due to which the fake account can be made by the hacker and your data may get hacked easily. Now, the next key rule is password. So, students, to safeguard your privacy online, you should know that how you should create a strong password. So, the first rule is that create a password with the combination of lowercase, uppercase, special symbols, and digits, and which should be 8 characters or more. Now, the second thing you should keep in mind that do not share your password with anyone, and always whenever you are using any public computer, make sure that you are logging out from all the accounts whichever you have accessed while using the internet, and whenever you leave that terminal or leave the computer system, so log out from all the websites on which you were login. Now, the next one says that don't post your photos or videos online, because that is your personal information and it can hamper your privacy. Also, don't agree to meet any online friend unless you are knowing them, because whenever you're receiving any kind of request from a person, it is not 100% true that the person sometime whatever they are pretending they are same, because you can understand like this that a fraudster or criminal might pose you making a account or a fake account that they are teenager online, or they will be showing their different personality online, but that cannot be actually true, because remember that not everything you read online is also true. And the next key rule is online ad. Don't buy anything online without taking your permission of your parent or without showing them, and do not get attracted by the lucrative ads, because the some ads are made to trick you by offering the free things or telling you that you want that this something, some like a hamper or good amenities while browsing online, but that is the way to collect and get your personal information. Now, whatever emails or any kind of attachment on your WhatsApp or any social media account, if you're getting any kind of attachment, do not try to download all the softwares without looking for that what is that attachment about, or from where you have received that mail or attachment. Do you know that sender? Because downloading of any kind of attachment may contain viruses also, which can hamper your computer system and can get all your data. The next one is bullying. Don't send or respond to mean or insulting messages, because if you are getting such kind of messages online on your account, then talk to your parent or teachers, because that can be a bullying, the case of cyberbullying, which is a online crime. So if something happens online like that which is making you feel uncomfortable, then talk to your elders, your parents, teachers. They can help you out to lodge an EFIR and get out of it. The next rule says to safeguard your privacy online, that as you are not in a age to go into social networking accounts, because they are already having the minimum age requirement to sign up, and these requirements are made to safeguard your privacy, to safeguard to protect you. So if you are trying to make an account, then know all the pros and cons, all the precautions should be taken before going into the world of social media, because there are the higher chances to get your personal information, or your personal information may get revealed to the hacker or the person with a malicious intent, and they can hamper your privacy. Now, the next one says that always research for an age appropriate sites before going online, because if you're searching any kind of content online like related to your subject, related to your studies also, so look for the appropriate sites from where you can get the data, because if you are going to hover over, navigate over any sites on internet, they you may end up getting the wrong information also and sharing your personal data as well. So always talk to your elders, parents, librarian, teacher, so that you can know about the site, they can check, and then you can explore the web. And the last one is that don't plagiarize online. So if you use online information in your school project, make sure that you explain the source of information from where you have get the data. Plagiarism, we have already discussed that it is the stealing of someone else's data and presenting as your own. So you I have no right to present anyone's data as your own, because it is their individual right to privacy. And if you want to use that information in your school project, then cite the source of information. Otherwise, you may get into a criminal activity, which is a plagiarism. So students, I hope you have understood all the safety measures which you should follow while using the internet, so that you should not become the victim of cyber crime. Now let us understand the protection using firewall. But before safeguarding yourself through this unauthorized people and sites, let us understand what is firewall. A firewall is a system, you can say it is in a hardware or software form, which is designed to prevent the unauthorized access from a computer or even to a private network of computers, which means that firewall is basically designed to control the network traffic, so that any unauthorized person or people or website should not get the access to download anything on your computer. It can be in a hardware or software form or a combination of both. Basically, firewall works or as per the rules setup. You can get the firewall settings in control panel on your computer system. Some sites are actually meet those requirements of the firewall settings, so they get access to be downloaded or open in our computer system. But some websites do not have access and do not follow means matches the rules of the firewall settings, so they are being denied access. And if you want to access that website or download anything from the Play Store where the firewall access is denied, you will be safeguarded from those websites, and there's a message will be displayed on your computer system that those websites are not having access to be downloaded in your computer system. So this is the way the firewall also protect you from the unauthorized access and the different kind of unauthorized softwares. Let's move on to the next topic, which is digital footprints. Now, what are digital footprints? Actually, they are the records and traces individuals leave behind as they use internet. So whatever records you are leaving on internet whenever you are hovering around or signing up into any of the websites or navigating the web, so whatever record you are putting or maybe entering on the internet, those traces are called as digital footprints. So for example, you can understand like this, that whatever you are interaction doing on social media, your social media websites, whatever you are hovering, your online purchases, or the location through Facebook, or all your data, whatever websites you are hovering, your login ID, your email ID, all those are digital footprints. Now let us understand that whenever you leave these data online, which are known as digital footprints, what are the risks involved in it? So most of the common form of risk which are related to our digital footprints are that when you leave your data or personal information online, it can lead to cyberbullying or a case of harassment. The second says that sharing the photos or images can help the other person with a malicious intent to blackmail you. The third one says that publishing any kind of information that is useful, that can be easily used for social engineering attacks online, which can hamper your privacy again. And also publishing your information can result you to harm your reputation or defame you. So now students, what precaution you should take when you're posting any stuff online? Before posting anything, you should keep in mind that internet is an open space. Now everyone is on internet, like your friend, teachers, relatives, classmates, everyone. So whatever you are posting something publicly, anyone can find it very easily. So before sharing, you should think once that who is going to see all the things and what will happen if they will see all your text, videos or data, whatever you are sharing. That should not be offensive actually. Now, the second thing, that things you post online can be easily copied or saved or shared by the people. So it is very easy to take a screenshot or copy your text or whatever you have posted as an video or as in images. So beware before sharing anything online, because it's too easy nowadays to share or copy the data and save in others get your data saved into others computer. The third precaution is that personal insult, threats, or discrimination online can get you into trouble with the law. So take the precaution before insulting anyone personally online or threatening anyone or sending any kind of messages which relates to discrimination. So if you are doing these, that can be means violation of law, and that is not a joke. It is a criminal activity, and you can be targeted by the cyber cell for attempting or harassing someone or attempting these kind of cyber criminal activities online. The things you are posting online, you should understand, even if you're posting as a mean of joke, that can also harm you. And so please beware before you post anything in a bad taste online. Do not try to threaten anyone, do not try to insult anyone by putting any kind of bad or depressive comments or demeaning jokes online, because that can also harm someone, make someone depressive, and you may be captured by the cyber cell for attempting these kind of criminal or offensive crimes. Now, the next question arises, then what we should do? We should not stop using social media account, or we should not stop using internet. So how can we safeguard ourselves, or what are the action which can be taken so that our data is not misused, or we should not leave these footprints online? The first precaution you can take, that is the first action which you can take, that is always log out from the sites in which you have finished the work. And always value your personal information. Do not post everything publicly on the internet. Be very cautious while sharing any kind of information online. Or if you are not knowing what needs to be shared, then always consult your elders, parents, or teachers to let them know what you are sharing, and to make up privacy settings online so that your data is private. And always manage your reputation. Try to manage your reputation, build your reputation online also, because whatever you are posting every day, status update, photos, or comment or reviews, that makes your personality over the internet accounts. And nowadays every company, teachers, every person is online. They check the person's personality online through the online updates, that what kind of post you are sharing, how, on which kind of field you are, and what kind of status update or comments you are doing. So all the things are checked online also. Not only offline interviews are not enough, so you are being judged online as well. Now, before posting or doing anything, stop, think about the effect, how the people will think who will see your post or videos or images, anything, and what will be the effect in the longer term. Then only post that thing if you find it valid to post, or it is not going to harm you. So I hope, students, you have understood today's video. Now your chapter is finished. So do the question answers in your copy, and whenever the school reopen, bring your copy. In the next video, I'm going to begin with the next chapter, which is computer networking. We'll understand about the networking. Till the time you see all the videos, if you have not seen, see all the series of the video and understand the chapter, and let me know in the comment section if you have problem with any of the topic. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.